Welcome back to Booze and Rocks. My name is David Edwards. Today we're making a Christmas margarita. It looks Christmassy, but does it taste like Christmas? Let's find out. Alright, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. It is Margarita Monday. And for those of you that are new to the channel, every other Monday, I put up a brand new margarita. And if you have your own margarita recipe that you would like to share with everybody, please leave it in the comments down below and I will make it for you here so that everybody can see it and try it. Now, the margarita that we are creating today is a Christmas margarita, and that's because it is the season. You know what? It's friends, it's family. Normally we would gather. This year's a little bit different, but you know what? This cocktail is something that you can make and you can tell a friend how to make it, and you can have it say on a FaceTime or a Snapchat or a free Zoom meeting, you know what? And you can enjoy and spend some time with each other together. So let's get into this. The first thing you need is a shaking glass or tin. And the first thing that you need after that is a little bit of Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier is an orange liqueur. And for this we need to take the lid off the bottle, of course. And to, oh, did you hear that cork sound? Let's do that again, because cork sounds are awesome. Okay, it didn't sound quite as good the second time. We need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. The next thing we need is some tequila. And you're gonna use a white tequila, a silver tequila, or a Blanco Tequila, whatever you wanna call it, but it's a white clear tequila. And for this, I'm using Olmeco's Altos. This is a really good tequila. It's 100% blue agave tequila, if I remember correctly. And it says so right here, so it must be so. Actually, truth be told, I really like this and I think you will too. For this, we need 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters. It's looking good so far. Next, we are going to use white cranberry juice. Now, white cranberry juice is a little bit sweeter than your red cranberry juice, and this is actually made from white cranberries or cranberries that have not turned red yet. So this is an ocean spray and it smells great already. And we need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. And we're partway there now. So what you're going to do is going to grab 2 limes, because we need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of your fancy lime juice. Make sure you've sharpened your knife, give it a good cut. Oh yeah, the sharpest my knife has been for a while. Grab your squeezer, and away we go. Always remember to clean up your tools afterwards. And so far we're looking really, really good. Now we also need 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of a simple syrup. I just measured distance, but I didn't know you could measure an ounce. Now this is a 1-to-1 simple syrup, 1 part water, 1 part sugar, and you just you heat it up until it clears up. Not bad, there's a lot in this. This is supposed to serve 1. However, if you really, really want to shake it a little bit, which we're going to for 10 to 15 seconds, you'll have enough left over that you could almost split it for 2. Grab something that you can use to pick up your ice with. And we'll give this a shake. Shake it with the strength of 1,000 cranberries. Or slap it, I should say. Grab your glass of choice. Now in my case, I'm using a rocks glass. I like the way they look. And just get something simple, tasteful. Or you know what? Go fancy. Do what you like to do, because this is your cocktail. So what we're gonna do is grab a little bit of ice. And now we will fine strain this. Look at that. Beautiful color. And we're gonna garnish this now. Grab some cranberries, as many as you want. Try not to throw them on the floor like I just did. And you're gonna grab a piece of rosemary. Give it a smack, give it a good smell, slam that in there like so, and look at this. This is a Christmas margarita. Let's give it a smell. So immediately you get a little bit of rosemary, of course, and you can smell a little bit of the orange liqueur. You get a little bit of the tequila smell. Oh yeah. The orange sings through beautifully from the Grand Marnier. Oh, and it blends so well with the tequila and the white cranberry juice. So it's a little bit sweeter for a margarita, but it's not overly sweet. It's well balanced, in fact. Oh yeah. This is perfect to have on your own or share with some friends. Oh yeah. If you think I should use a different type of tequila or a different type of orange liqueur, leave a comment down below. If this is your first time to my channel, please check out the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time I put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you're interested in supporting the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze on the rocks, because every little bit helps. You know what? Give this a thumbs up and we'll see you next time. We are making a Christmas margarita. Why? The first thing we need is on camera just for you. Now what was I saying?